little Christmas video for you. Hope you're having a great time at the moment. Let's clear the bench a bit. Let's just put my lights back on there. That just moved. This is a little kit, just a bit of fun. There we go. Right. Okay, so what does this do? Well, it's a very, very simple kit. We're just going to put it together very quickly as a one-off video. So let's see if I can see how quickly I can do it. So that goes on there. That goes on there. This is the base, and that end goes on. This is all wood. This is just very thin wood. So what is this got to do with LEDs? Well, you'll see in a minute, but it's also a bit of a thank you to everybody for watching my videos during the year. Let's just fall to pieces because I'm rushing. Yeah, just want to say a big thank you to everybody for watching the videos over the year. We've got loads more lined up for you next year. Hopefully a bit more fun, a bit of LEDs. There we go. It's been some great comments as well, thank you very much. And right, so we have this bit that goes on the bottom. I think this kit cost me just over £1. It was just a filler to go in just to let's just fall to pieces again. Yep, there we go. Right. And again. Oh, there we go. Right. I think you're supposed to glue this, but I'm not going to glue it. Inside the pack there is this little LED light. What do I need for this? I need a CRT battery. CRT battery. I've got one on the bench somewhere. I've got one in there. I know I've got one in there. I've got two in there actually. No, right, just a minute. Let's get back the microphone off. Put the microphone back on again. Right. One CRT battery. Right, let's put that in there. Hey, there we go. Right, let's pop that in the middle down there. A little login. You can see what's happening now, can't you? Right, and these go on top. Just need to line these holes up, that's what's stopping it from going on. There we go. Right, lights out time. There we go. So we have a little scene with the LEDs, LED changing in the background. We've got our other lights in the background there. Yeah, that's a bit of fun, isn't it? Thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much for watching during the year. Hope you had a great new year, great Christmas. Catch me next year. Please, if you just found the channel, give it a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you can. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks' time.